Gumising tayo na maaga today kasi magni-nature walk tayo. So papunta ako sa Ventnor Downs. Ventnor is one of the towns here on the Isle of Wight and located siya dito southeast ata tawag yan. Anyway, so punta tayo doon, mag-bluebells walk tayo kasi spring na dito sa island. And as you can see, parami na ng parami yung mga bulaklak na nag-bloom. I'll show you around. Ang ganda dito sa island, guys. I've been here for like 1 year and 5 months already, but marami pa din mga places na hindi ko pa napuntahan. And if you live here on the island, parang everyday is a vacation day kasi ang ganda dito. Look at the view. Diba? Medyo malamig, but carry lang. Ang Ventnor Downs, guys, is a national trust. Part siya ng national trust. So meaning it's a protected area. Oh God, hinihingal ako. If ikaw yung type ng person na mahilig sa outdoors, mahilig mag-hiking, biking, or swimming kasi merong dagat. In summer, may mga water activities tayo dyan like surfing and all. So I suggest pumira ka dito sa Isle of Wight. Hindi ka mauubusan ng adventure dito all year round, all seasons. Isa din sa magandang puntahan pag spring dito sa island, guys, is yung rapeseed farm. Yan yung mga yan yung tanim na ginagawang rapeseed oil. So I'll show you. There's a farm that I can see from here, pero medyo malayo siya, so hindi natin siya puntahan today, but I'll show you. Isa-zoom ko yung video. So yan yung rapeseed farm, guys. It's a beautiful place to visit. It's usually private kasi farm siya, but if you get a chance makapasok, then you can take photos and stuff. So last year I joined Walk the Wight, and part ng route ng lakad namin is through a rapeseed farm, but not that one, another rapeseed farm. So it was really beautiful. Yellow, parang yellow fields, yellow yung flowers. Ito yung photo last year when I was there sa rapeseed farm. Parang nakikita ko na yung bluebells dito, guys, but I am not sure if bluebells ba talaga yung nakikita ko because my eyes are not so good, but I think they are. Surprise, surprise! We're here na, guys. I can see the bluebells already. Medyo konti lang, but still pretty. Tingin ko we arrived too early kasi parang hindi pa sila in full bloom. Pero yung mga bluebells dun sa town, nakano na talaga sila, naka-bloom na. But dito parang not so much. If there's a time, we can come back here when they're finally in full bloom. Lipat tayo dun. So, ayan na guys, ito na yung Bluebells Fields dito sa Ventnor Downs. Hindi pa sila in full bloom. Masyadong maaga tayong I think we visited way too early. Balikan na lang natin pag full bloom na sila. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.